Why are you keeping the Corsa? Am I keeping a Corsa? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Roll the little montage. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. Basically, for today's video, we are back in the SCIROCCO and we're actually going to be doing a Q&A. You guys cannot make me get out of this thing. I'm in love, you know what I mean? I've got the new paddle shifters and stuff. So if you guys don't know, over on my Instagram at @TheUnderScoreOtherStuff, I actually asked you lot if you guys have any questions for a Q&A, just to give you guys a little break from the SCIROCCO content. Even though we are sat in the SCIROCCO, talking about the SCIROCCO for most of it, still a little break, you know what I'm saying? Now I really quickly do just want to say a hand on my heart, a thank you to you lot. I know I say it quite a lot now. I know it's very easy for me to say thank you in my brand new SCIROCCO. Just basically doing what I love. I know it's very easy for me to say that, but hopefully you guys understand. I'm truly, truly thankful. All the support on this brand new car has been unbelievable. Let's go on to the first question. I ain't gonna keep you guys waiting. Why are you keeping the Corsa? Am I keeping a Corsa? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Roll the little montage. We are actually keeping a Corsa. Let me quickly make a long story short, alright? So pretty much, I was planning to sell it to this dealership, and pretty much people thought that this dealership was just a backyard dealership, and I just went to this random dealership and was like, do you want to buy the car? No. I swear to God, everybody who is in the car community will know this dealership. People were telling me to go to this dealership because they would want to buy it off me. Blah, blah, blah. I feel fucked over by them, but I'm going to move on. Pretty much the same second the guy basically said no, my mum messaged me. My mum called me actually, and she said, I'll buy your car. Mad. So, if you guys don't know what that means, my mum is currently whipping around in a modified Vauxhall Corsa. It was perfect timing. Her car literally just got written off. There was something wrong with it. She didn't crash or anything. So pretty much she bought the Corsa off me, obviously for a discounted price. And I told her, hopefully in the future, I can buy the car back off you. So I really do apologise to everyone for hyping up getting rid of the Corsa, but I seriously thought it was going. So how much is your insurance? I bet it must be ridiculously high, especially with a 2 litre. Now, every time I talk about insurance with people and I talk about how low the price is, people are literally slamming their keyboards in half. They're like, this Volkswagen SCIROCCO, I've got quotes on it for £600, which is probably cheaper than my Corsa. I live in the countryside, guys. It's cheap. It's dirt cheap. For the next question, I'm gonna get in the fucking boot. Not the boot, the back. Don't mind me. Just being a little weirdo. Nice in the back of this bitch, innit? Look at this, guys. I'm fucking chilly, mate. Favourite Tesco meal deal combo. Ooh! Well, we better go find out. Alright then, so Gabby would like to know, what did you say? What is my favourite Tesco meal deal combo? Fucking hell, she had a combo onto that shit. So, of course, for you, Gabby, I'm going to have to send you an invoice for the petrol I just used getting here. I'm going to show you my fucking meal deal order. It's what the typical Asian gets, right? I think we all know where this is going.
What? Rice?
Fucking
Oh, to be fair,
So if you guys don't know what a meal deal is, at Tesco, you buy a drink, you buy a snack, and you buy a main meal. And it comes to £3. First on the list, we've got a naked because it's the most expensive. Next up for the snack,
I don't like these.
white Twixes. And last but not least, the main star of the show is actually, boom! Smoked salmon and tuna sushi, an ultimate Asian dream. Down the hatch.
Cheers, Gabby.
Oh, sorry. This one is where it's at though. This is like the fucking VIP. Oh! That one hit the spot. That one hit the spot.
Right there, like the carnage bit. You might as well squeeze the whole fucking tube.
The pure sereneness of the ocean. It tastes, it's just in every single bite of that. The compactness of the rice is just amazing. When you bite into it, it just crumbles like sand on Minecraft when you dig a block underneath it and it falls down. If you guys have not tried sushi before, use discount code OtherStuff at Tesco. Tesco self-service. It feels like a jungle in there. It feels like a jungle of sereneness. Do you find DSG less engaging than manual? Now then, if you guys don't know, I actually have an automatic SCIROCCO. And basically, this gear stick right here, it's got no 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, you know what I'm saying? And pretty much, I think that's the point of automatic gearboxes, isn't it? It gives you less connection to the car, I guess, because you're not, you know, completely controlling it. It's all the wizardry computers controlling it. And in a way, that's a very good thing because it's very relaxing to drive. You don't have to always swing, bing, bing in traffic, you know what I'm saying? I can sit back and absolutely just chill. I think personally that's the main point of autos because it makes the whole process easier and more relaxing. But I would say it's still engaging for me because you know what? I feel like a Formula 1 race car driver, boy. You know what I'm saying? With these paddles, I'm like, come on, man. But like, bloody hell, I don't know what it is about people absolutely hating the fact that I got an auto. I think personally, it's this man thing where it's like, I drive with stick that goes forward, left, right, down. I absolutely love this DSG gearbox, and I don't think anybody who hasn't driven one will appreciate how they drive. This is my daily driver. I don't drive it that much to even care if it's a manual or an auto. Did you get my Sneak Defender care package, bro? Yes, fam. I don't know how this guy has made a ceramic coating for your bloody shoes, but he has. He's done it. Hold on. So this is actually the ceramic coating basically for your shoes. It works insane, as you're gonna see in a second. I'm gonna get my Lucasade. Ready? Look. This guy's Jesus, mate. Look at that. And then I just shake off the leftover, and it's literally just left tiny little bits that I can rub off. Bloody hell, this guy's Jesus, mate. This guy's Jesus. Are you going to DBadge your new car? Louis, my fucking G. I've been looking for an excuse to do this in a video. So let's go DBadge the car. Right, so here is what the SCIROCCO looks like with the badges on right now. I want people to not know it's a 2 litre TSI, and I want like an old granny to be at the set of lights, revving the shit out of her engine, and then I come over, just know it's a 2 litre, and I blast off, bitch, and I thrash her into a care home. Alright, so with a little elbow grease, we've actually debadged the SCIROCCO and the 2 litre TSI, I mean. So nobody will fucking know what's coming to them at the red lights. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Did lockdown affect your mental health? I'm quite a positive person. I don't get down a lot, but I would say that the only thing that lockdown has kind of done to my mental health, I guess it is, I do get kind of anxious when I go out now, because obviously we've been indoors for so many fucking months. For example, literally I'll go to Tesco sometimes to do shopping, and I do get anxious going around shops, like around it. It's like, it's stupid. We've had very limited contact with people and it just makes you feel uncomfortable and stuff, but I push myself anyway. But yeah, let me know about your guys' experiences, because don't be a pussy. Maybe that's a bit too harsh. Don't be shy. Leave your struggles in the comments, or even if it helps you out. Lockdown has literally made my channel grow to the size it is, so me personally, it's done me more favors than negatives. You know what I'm saying? Advice for 17-year-olds. Fucking hell, this is getting deep. First thing is improve yourself, mate. If you feel like you have a weakness in something, for example, let's say, you know, let's take me for example. When I was like 15, I was like a very anxious kid. I personally think I had social anxiety. I got anxious when meeting new people, for example. I got anxious when talking in groups. I literally got anxious going to my local co-op, mate. I actually fucking forced myself to meet new people, and it feels fucking amazing when you do something that you are scared to do. So pretty much I pushed myself to not be afraid of those things, you know what I'm saying? If you guys have got like something you're anxious about or something, and you push yourself to do that thing that you're anxious about, I swear to God, you will feel so amazing at the end of it. Next thing, learn how to do things like try new things. Again, I'm just going to use my examples because you know what I mean, hopefully. For example, locksmith. I wanted a lock on my door for years. So what I did, instead of looking for a locksmith, I fucking learned how to do it myself, and I've now got a lock on my sister's door and my door that I've installed myself. So the last tip I'd give a 17-year-old or anybody really is do what you want to do. You are the one who's going to be sat on your own in 10 years time. Let's be honest. You probably aren't going to be around your parents. You probably ain't going to be around your, I don't fucking know, your guardians or your siblings. You are going to be on your own potentially with your girlfriend, boyfriend, I don't fucking know, dog, cat. So make your life decisions based on what you want to fucking do. Don't listen to your dumbass parents or your guardian. I had no support with this YouTube thing from anybody, but my mum told me to go get an apprenticeship. My school advisors told me to go get an apprenticeship. Look where I am fucking now. I'm literally not working a 9 to 5 like everybody else. I'm sat at home, get up at bed, get up whenever the fuck I want. That's not to flex on anybody, but I hope you guys see where I mean. You know, don't listen to anybody and do what the fuck you want. If you want to collect Star Wars figures, I don't fucking care. You can make a living out of literally anything now. Why is the SCIROCCO no R version? I get this question asked a lot, and I appreciate everybody who's got a common sense. But this is a valid question. Why did I not? The R version, I believe it's got an upgraded exhaust. I don't know what it's got basically, let me say that. But it's got upgraded side skirts, upgraded front bumper, upgraded rear bumper, and we're gonna do that all ourselves anyway. So this is the stock SCIROCCO, and we're gonna put an exhaust on it. We're gonna make this car better than the R version. You can hear how it changes, see how it changes, it's gonna look lit. This is a cheaper car than the R, and we're gonna make it better. And we can take that money and put it into this car. We're gonna make this car fucking lit. The thing you least like about the SCIROCCO, now, I can say 2 things. I'm gonna say firstly, no cup holders. The only cup holder is this cup holder, which isn't even a cup holder, mate. It's a storage compartment. And the second thing is, unfortunately, this car has an off-center steering wheel, which I actually need your guys' help with. So I bought this car with this like happening to me. This car, when I'm steering straight, as you guys can see, the wheel is angled the tiniest bit. So let me know. Literally, it doesn't pull to one side or anything. Literally, when I drive straight and I let go of the steering wheel, it will steer straight. It won't move to the side or anything. It will literally just stay like this. Now, I do really appreciate the dealership for obviously, you know, they held this car for me for a month or something. But the only thing is, how can you mess up not seeing that your wheel is not straight when you sell it to me? And obviously, because they are so far away from me, I can't get it fixed from them. And like, no other Volkswagen wants to entertain me because I want to get this done for free. So yeah, if anybody from Volkswagen wants to get in contact, sort my car out, fix the fucking problem, that would be perfect. Just hit me up, come on. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but that is literally straight. Favourite company you've worked with? Honestly, my favourite company that I've worked with, out of everybody I've worked with at the moment, is by far Plate Factory. If you guys don't know, they've supplied me with every single plate for my car, including the Corsa, including the SCIROCCO, and they always chuck in like extra gifts such as this thing. They actually knew I was getting a purple SCIROCCO before anybody. So it was sick of them to actually make me my 4D plates with the M7 YTX on, as well as make me this sick like graphic art thing with the SCIROCCO and a purple background with the other stuff and the Plate Factory logo right there. And they also made me this one, which actually looks sick as well. And the writing on that is beautiful, mate. That's my favourite because they are literally always so nice. They even supply me with extra goodies. They supplied me with key rings last time, so I do love a little surprise, so. How are you such a savage, mate? How are you such a savage? Look at that fucking profile picture. You are a sexy boy. Now, honestly, if anybody thinks I'm a savage, seriously, don't. Bro, I'm a little spoon in bed. That's all I need to say. I'm not a savage. I'm a savage pussy slayer. But other than that, I'm good, boy. I'm good. Right then, guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. So, huge shout out to anybody who is still watching. If you guys are still watching, then comment paddles. And yeah, if you guys comment paddles, I don't know, I'll like your comment or something. Yeah, honestly, thank you everybody who sent the questions in. If you guys want to, next time, follow me on Instagram at @the_OtherStuff, and I will be sure to potentially answer your question. Anyway, follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys so much for all the support yet again. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. Wow.